Yes, student. So the next and the last video of the chapter is F block elements. Student, it includes two series of element. First series is called lanthanide. Second series are called actinides. Student, general outer electronic configuration of F block element is n minus 2 F1 to 14 n minus 1 D 0 to 1 and ns2. That is three shells involves okay in outer configuration, or you can say what, valence shell. The position is in, if you talk about the group, so they belongs to group number what, third. Okay, in group number third there are two series. The series number A, which is started from the lanthanum, which has the atomic number 57 to lutetium. Its atomic number is 71. Actually, student, the first element lanthanum, it is very much resemble with the lanthanide, therefore it is also included. So here we can count 1 plus, 1 plus 14 more element is equal to 57, 58 and this one 74. That is overall the element becomes what, up to atomic number 71. That is 15 elements are placed in group third in series A. These are called lanthanide. In their general configuration, the 4F, 5D and 6S subshells are involved, while in series number B, which are called actinides, okay, it is called series number B. It includes the element actinoid, symbol AC. Symbol what? AC, started from atomic number 89. Okay, and the next element, this is what? Thorium, atomic number 90. So mainly this is called actually actinide, thorium to lawrencium. Its atomic number is 103. So total 14 more element plus actinide, that is the 15 elements are placed in group number third. A, it belongs to period number 6th, while the B, it belongs to period number 7th. So this is the position of lanthanide and actinide. Actually, student, the name lanthanide is on the basis of the element which are followed by the lanthanum. Therefore, they are called lanthanide. Earlier, they were known as the rare earth element. That is what? Their abundance is very, very less. Student, their properties, that is the all 14 elements, properties are almost same. Therefore, it is very difficult to isolate them. Actinide, these are the 14 elements. Out of these, thorium, plutonium, okay, they are the well-known element, but rest of the element are known as man-made element. It is because they are highly radioactive element. What we are saying, the nuclear reactor or the nuclear bomb or the nuclear energy, they are obtained or they are prepared by using these radioactive element. These are highly instability in their nucleus. Therefore, when they explode, they releases lot of energy. Lanthanide elements, actually, they belongs to D block element. That is the transition element. But there is no place for the 14 element each of lanthanide and actinide. Therefore, they are separately placed in the bottom of the periodic table in the form of two horizontal series. Therefore, these elements are also known as inner transition element. Inner transition element means they are the part of transition element, but there is no place. Therefore, they are placed here. Moreover, the transition element belongs to D block, but these elements belongs to F block. Therefore, particular name, the F block elements are given for them. In their general outer electronic configuration, there are lot of anomalies. Although we are writing in the general configuration that n-1 to F1 to 14 and n-1, this is what? D, 0 to 1. But very rarely the D subshell occupies the electron. Okay. Only few times the electrons are filled in D subshell. Otherwise, rest of the time the electrons are filled in F subshell and S subshell. You can see here many anomalies are there, like 4f7, 4f7. Actually, the F subshell has 7 orbitals. Okay, and being 7 orbitals, again the same phenomenon as we have discussed in transition element, half filled configuration and fully filled configuration. Due to half filled and fully filled configuration, sometimes the electrons, that is same number of electrons, occupy in all the 7 subshell. This is due to gaining of extra stability. Similarly, the 4f14 and 4f14, two anomalies are also there. It is due to the fully filled orbital are more stable as compared to other, and therefore electron from D subshell jump to F subshell. Student, lanthanide and actinide have many uses in our daily life. Like here, the lighter flint which we are using in our kitchen, they are made up of the alloys of cerium. Cerium is a strong oxidizing agent. Okay, while here thorium, uranium, plutonium belongs to actinide, are used for nuclear reactor. So only this idea is included this year. Rest of the part, that is the properties of lanthanides and actinides, are deleted. Therefore, I am closing my video up to only this portion. Now, the assignment for you, as I have written the name of elements, their symbol, atomic number and configuration, but these are only of what? Lanthanides. These